Blissful day everyone! Welcome to AK Seikei Farm. For today's video, we will talk about what happened after molting stage. So please watch till end not to miss important details. This is our Rhode Island Red production type free-range heritage chickens. This video is taken during their molting stage. During the molting stage of the chicken, they loses their feathers and they stop laying eggs. Molting stage happens in the duration of 6 to 8 weeks or more, depending on the care that you give and nutrition that you give to your chickens. Our chickens molting stage just take place for just almost more than a month, and they are back to tracks. They are starting to lay eggs again. If you want to know more about molting stage, you can watch my video about molting stage and the proper care. And here they are now, guys. Molting stage is over and we are again harvesting eggs. Aside from those mother stocks that you have watched a while ago, we have new Rhode Island Red laying chickens already. So every day we are harvesting numbers of eggs. Before you are putting, and we are putting this to the incubator, guys, every day, because it's a lot. So you can put this to the incubator every day, or you can collect them for 4 days and put it to the incubator. Okay, in our practice we are collecting eggs up to 4 days. Okay, 4 to 5 days before putting this to the incubator, before we load it to the incubator, because after this 5 days, the hatching capacity or the hatching capabilities of the eggs is not that high. So the earlier you put this to the incubator, the higher the percentage of hatching of your eggs. Okay, and before, guys, the very important part here is before you put your eggs inside the incubator, you have to clean it up. Okay, we are cleaning this. We are using coconut vinegar. We are using coconut vinegar in our dialect, Langgao. This is taken from coconut. Okay, you can use this to clean your eggs because it's also a disinfectant, guys, and it's all natural. It won't damage or it won't affect the embryo of your eggs. Okay, guys, why we are cleaning, why we need to clean it up? Because the bacteria, the eggs that we are collected sometimes have poops of our chickens. Sometimes they just lay anywhere inside the coop, on the ground, on their nest. And their nest, sometimes it's dirty. They have their poops, so it's dirty, and the bacteria is there. So we have to put this to the incubator. So if it's not clean, the bacteria that is heated, or because the incubator, of course, it's hot, so sometimes the bacteria multiply and it affects the capability of the eggs to hatch. The embryo will be affected at it, and it will it won't hatch. It already happened to us, guys. This information I'm sharing with you is our already experience. It's already experienced in our farm. We just put the eggs inside, and after the hatch, it's not the highest percentage. There is only few of the eggs hatch. So someone we know advise us to clean all the eggs before putting to the incubator, and after the eggs hatch, guys, you have to clean up again the incubator. Okay, you have to clean the incubator every time the eggs hatch, because it accumulates bacteria, the shell and the poops of the chicks that collected after they are hatched. Of course, because they are still there inside the incubator, you cannot take it out them immediately after the hatch. They have to stay there until they are healthy enough, or they are lively enough to be out of the incubator. So they are pooping there inside, and the bacteria and the dirt is there. So if you don't clean it up, the bacteria will multiply. They will grow inside the incubator, and it will affect the embryo of the eggs. Okay, so every time you the eggs hatch, you have to clean up your incubator. Okay, and this incubator has a capacity of 1,000 eggs. Okay, and because our 600 capacity is already full, so we have to put it to our bigger incubator. Okay, guys, our free range heritage chickens don't brood their eggs, so we have to put it to the incubator. If you have the native chickens, you can give it to your native chickens to hatch, but in our case, they are a lot already, so native chicken cannot accommodate our eggs of the free range chickens, so we have to buy the incubator. Guys, this incubator is very good. It has a very high capacity of hatching, and the man behind this is a very good man. So if you want to have this incubator, you can comment or down below, or you can message me to my FB account, and I will give you his details. You can ask him the capacity of the incubator you want, if it's manual or automatic, how much your budget. He will cater your needs. Okay, he is a very good man, guys. And this incubator we have is a manual incubator. Okay, it's a manual, guys, because if the automatic, we can't afford it. So because in automatic incubator, guys, every single egg have a tray. Okay, so it should be very big for us to have to cater our eggs, and automatic incubator is more expensive than manual incubator. Okay, so in manual incubator, guys, you have to 3 times a day you have to move, or you have to change the position of the eggs. As you can see, you just do that. Okay, just move the eggs like that. Okay, it's as easy as that. Don't need to one by one turn the egg. No, you just do that. Okay, you just move your palm up, and it's okay. It's all done. It's just like that. Okay, that's easy as that. Okay, it's not very complicated. So it's easy for you to do it, and it's not hard. Okay, and that's it. Again, not all the eggs that you are collected is can be put inside the incubator. Some of the eggs are deformed, some are too large, some are not in proper shape. So better consume it, guys, or sell this eggs so that it won't be waste. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. An industry that feeds you is an industry worth fighting for. See you on my next videos. Happy farming and God bless us.